How to use Google Maps Street View on MacBook. So here is how to do so step by step. First of all you have to do is open your preferred web browser on a MacBook, Safari or Chrome. So I'm on the Chrome now. Open the Google Maps. Go to the maps.google.com and make sure you are signed in using your Google account. Now once you are signed in the search bar at the top left corner of your screen, type the address, place name or area you want to explore and press enter or click the search icon. Now once done so, you will get to see a image option available at the bottom right corner of your screen. All you have to do is simply tap on it. Click and drag your mouse to look around or click on the road to move forward or backward. Use trackpad gestures, two fingers, swipe or pinch to zoom in or zoom out, and click the back arrow in the top left corner or press the ESC key to exit the street view. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.